and Serpent. Watch your step as you enter the car. Once seated, pull the lap bar down to your waist. Secure all loose articles such as hats and blankets.
All right, THRILLMAXX, we are here at Busch Gardens, Tampa in Tampa, Florida. We're going to take a ride on their wild mouse. They call it Sand Serpent. So, take a ride with me and let's have some fun, guys. Hairpin turns. Y'all can't see it, but I'm literally leaning to the side on these. Hard brake on that one. Hard brakes on these. All right, THRILLMAXX, that's gonna do it for our ride here on Sand Serpent. The big takeaway on this, they come to a complete stop on every brake. That's different. Now, this is an outdoor model. However, it is the exact same layout as the Dark Knight coasters at Six Flags. So if you've ever been on one of those, this is actually what it looks like out in the daylight. So same exact model, same exact company, Mack, that built these, and you know, same exact layout. So now you've seen them in the daytime. Comment below, do you like these better outside? Do you like them better inside and themed? Let me know in the comments below. That's going to do it for a ride on Sand Serpent here at Busch Gardens Tampa. So remember, guys, always take your thrills to the max, because this is THRILLMAXX.